WD-40 Bike Degreaser is great for the removal of thick dirt, grease, and grime from your bike chain. First, place the bike on a stand so that the rear wheel is free to turn, with a rag under the chain to collect any dirty or excess liquid. Apply by spraying liberally onto the chain where it comes into contact with the rear cassette, while rotating the crank in a counterclockwise direction. This will ensure an even amount of degreaser is applied to remove any excess buildup of dirt and grime on the drivetrain. Once applied, allow to remain in contact for 1 to 2 minutes. The liquid will start to soften and lift dirt, grease, and oil from the chain easily. To remove heavy or stubborn buildup of grime, you may need to agitate with a brush. Spray with clean water from a hose and dry with a clean cloth or towel. If you're in a hurry and don't have access to water, you can simply wipe off the chain with a rag. Cleaning your chain regularly helps to reduce wear and tear and ensures optimum performance of your drivetrain.